Shopping for car insurance isn't always easy. Between trying to find the best rates, making sure you're properly covered, and figuring out which companies are actually trustworthy, it can feel like a full-time job. And if you're considered a high-risk driver, that search gets even tougher. But the good news is, there are options designed to help make things simpler. In today's video, we're diving into a detailed review of Omni Auto Insurance, exploring what they provide, weighing the pros and cons, and helping you decide if they're the right choice for your coverage needs. And if you want to compare multiple car insurance quotes for free, head over to autoinsurance.org. Their free comparison tool makes it easy to see your options all together, and it could save you a lot of time and money. Before you trust a company with your car and your money, it helps to understand where they come from and who they really are. Omni Insurance has been around since 1986, specializing in auto and property casualty coverage options, providing solutions for individuals and businesses for decades. They've made it their mission to help people who might have past accidents, DUIs, or lapses in insurance history. Today, Omni is no longer independent. They operate under the Good2Go auto insurance brand. That means when you request a quote from Omni, you're often routed through Good2Go's system. The core offering stays the same. Fast, affordable minimum coverage for those who need it most. Compare quotes from top auto insurance providers today at autoinsurance.org. Using our free comparison tool, you can easily compare rates, find the best coverage options, and save money, all in just a few clicks. Every insurance company has strengths that make them a great choice for some, and weaknesses that make them less ideal for others. Let us start with its positives. First, Omni is known for accepting high-risk drivers. If you've had accidents, speeding tickets, or even a DUI in your past, you might struggle to find coverage elsewhere. But with Omni, you can still get insured without paying outrageous premiums. Next, getting a quote with Omni is fast and easy. Their online platform allows you to get an instant quote, helping you make an informed decision without waiting for a callback or having to speak with an agent. This process is quick, allowing you to compare pricing and coverage options on the spot. Another benefit is affordability. Omni offers affordable liability coverage, especially for drivers who are just looking to meet their state's minimum requirements. If you don't need extra coverage, Omni's basic plans can be an excellent budget-friendly option. However, while there are clear advantages, there are some notable downsides to consider. A common complaint about Omni is their customer service. Many users report slow response times and difficulty getting assistance when issues arise. Whether you're having trouble with your policy or need help with a claim, this lack of timely support can be frustrating. Additionally, Omni offers limited coverage options to its policyholders. If you're looking for things like comprehensive or collision coverage, or additional features like roadside assistance, Omni may not be the best fit. They specialize in basic coverage, so if you need more extensive protection, you might find the options lacking. Lastly, availability can be an issue. Omni's services are not available in all states. Depending on where you live, you may find that you can't access their offerings at all, which can limit your choices if you're set on this insurer. So while Omni might get you on the road with lower costs, you'll need to carefully consider whether their limited services and basic coverage will meet your needs in the long term. Ready to find the best auto insurance for you? Visit autoinsurance.org today and use our free comparison tool to compare rates, explore coverage options, and get a personalized quote in minutes. At the end of the day, the best way to know what to expect from a company is through customer experience. When it comes to Omni's reputation, the reviews are a mixed bag. AM Best gives Omni Auto Insurance a B rating, reflecting fair financial strength. This means the company is financially stable but not one of the highest rated in terms of its ability to meet obligations in tough times. The Better Business Bureau, BBB, rates Omni with a B+, suggesting good business practices. This rating also highlights that the company responds to complaints but may have room to enhance its customer service. When it comes to consumer reports, Omni scores 65 out of 100, which reflects a mixed customer feedback. This rating points to inconsistencies in customer experience, with some users satisfied, but many others left frustrated. J.D. Power gives Omni a score of 789 out of 1,000, which is considered lower than average. This score indicates that while some customers have had acceptable experiences, many others have faced significant dissatisfaction, particularly in areas like claims handling and service speed. Lastly, the National Association of Insurance Commissioners, NAIC, reports an average of 1.5 complaints, which is higher than average. This suggests that Omni receives a relatively large number of complaints compared to other insurance providers, particularly regarding service and claims processing. It's a reminder, low prices can be great, but when it's time to file a claim or speak to a representative, the experience can be less than stellar. Looking for the best auto insurance coverage that fits your needs and budget? Head over to autoinsurance.org and use our free comparison tool to compare top providers, get expert advice, and find the right policy for you. Choosing the right insurance means balancing cost, coverage, and the features that matter most to you. Omni Auto Insurance makes a name for itself with highly competitive rates, starting at just $62 a month, making it an affordable alternative to big-name providers like Geico and State Farm. Here's what you can expect from Omni. First up, it offers competitive pricing. Their plans start as low as $62 per month. This makes it one of the most affordable options compared to big names like Geico and State Farm. Next, Omni rewards safe drivers. If you've got a clean driving record, you could save up to 15% on your policy. Additionally, if you bundle multiple policies, you can get an extra 10% off, making their discounts even more appealing. Also, there's flexibility when it comes to customizing your coverage. Whether it's based on your age, driving history, or location, you can build a plan that fits both your needs and budget, even if your driving record isn't perfect. However, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. For one, some customers have reported delays in the claims process, with long wait times and difficulty reaching agents when they need help most. Also, roadside assistance is not included, so you'll need to rely on third-party services for emergency help. Overall, this option remains a solid, affordable choice for drivers, particularly those seeking basic coverage at a great price. But if premium services or quicker claim support are important to you, other options may be a better fit. Ready to find affordable coverage that fits your needs? Visit autoinsurance.org and use our free comparison tool to get a quote and see how much you can save on your auto insurance. So whether Omni Auto Insurance ends up being your go-to choice for affordable coverage, or you decide to explore other options, remember that the best insurance policy is the one that suits your unique needs. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button if you'd like more in-depth reviews like this one. Comment below and share your experience with Omni, or let us know what you think about their coverage. And subscribe to our channel for more in-depth insurance reviews and smart tips to help you find the best coverage at the best price. Choosing an insurance company like Omni can be a step in the right direction for drivers, but it's always worth comparing options. Stay smart, stay safe, and never drive uninsured. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.